morning. Thank you for calling Savory Haven. This is John Andre. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation, please.
Certainly, I'd be happy to help with that. Can I have your name, please?
I'm Mr. Janrick Bouvier.
Thank you, Mr. Bouvier. For what date and time would you like to make the reservation?
Around September 17 at 5 p.m.
Let me check our availability for September 17 at 5 p.m. It looks like we have a table available. How many people will be in your party?
5 people to be exact.
Great, we have available table for 5 person. Can I have a contact phone number for the reservation?
My phone number is 0995-4865-303.
Just to confirm, you have a reservation for 5 on September 17 at 5 p.m. under the name of Mr. Bouvier. Is there anything we should know about your reservation, such as dietary restrictions or a special request?
I just wanted to let you know that I have seafood allergies, so I kindly request that no seafood serves to me. Thank you.
Okay, we will make sure to accommodate that. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
You are welcome. We look forward on seeing you on September 17 at 5 p.m. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too, bye.
Goodbye.
Game.
Hello?
Game.
Good morning. This is...
I just wanted to...